Here's a pair of these Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds in the pairing mode. So the buds are in the case. Let me go ahead and take these out. Now we'll know that these are in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 okay? So mine blinks blue a few times, then it turns off, okay? The reason for me is because I'm connected to a different device right now. So for myself, let me manually put this in pairing mode. What I gotta do is touch and hold the logo, the Soundcore logo up here, okay? Just press and hold both at the same time and keep holding until it starts blinking blue, 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 okay? We'll do it together. Ready? Press and hold, just hold for a few seconds, and it should start blinking blue. There we go. Blue, blue, blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Leave it just like that. Now shoot over to your PC and we want to go to Bluetooth, okay? So bottom left hand side you can do a search for Bluetooth. And we'll go to Bluetooth and other devices right there. From here, just go ahead and select on Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we want to click on this plus sign right here, add Bluetooth to other device. Let's select that. Now we're going to select the first one here. It says Bluetooth. Let's select that. Now that line going across there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. And it did pop up right there, the Soundcore VI. Let's click on that. And there you go. We're connected, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and click on done right there. And you can also see that we're connected from down here as well. You can see, oh, there it is. Soundcore VI says connected. These other ones, earbuds and headphones, they're just other headphones and earbuds that are paired to this this computer. Anyway, if you had issues pairing or connecting or can't put it into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.